Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today I would like to share with you a simple DIY gel face wash. So let's begin. I have weighted out my things already here, just not to waste your time. So in here I have a floral rose water, which smells literally like wild roses, you know. It's really lovely. So I have in here weighted out rose floral water. I'm not gonna go now deep, into what's the weight or what's the percentage here, because the whole formula and the recipe you will find in the description box below. Okay, so I have in here rose floral water. Then you're gonna need a glycerine and gum. I'm using here xanthum gum and vegetable glycerine. So you have to mix glycerine and xanthum gum separately, okay? Just to make sure they are mixed very well. Then what I will use my own made Glycerite, which you maybe seen last week how to do it. If not, you can check my video how to do your own rose petal glycerin or any other flower or herbal Glycerite. Yes. And then of course I'm gonna need a Preservative Eco, which is natural preservative, then some citric acid, probably to reduce my pH levels, and a little strips here to check the pH levels, okay? And of course little container. So very easy, simple to do. So I have in here, if you don't want to use or you don't have maybe floral water, maybe you have some hydrosol, as well I have a video how you can do your own hydrosol, which you can check it here. And if you don't have hydrosol, if you don't have floral water, use distilled water. It's perfect for the first times, because it's a wash of product. You don't want to maybe spend a lot of money and to use the expensive hydrosol or floral water, or you can mix half and half, or like 40-50 or something, So into the rose floral water, I'm gonna add my glycerin and xanthum gum mixed, okay? Already, so in this I will add into my rose water. I'm gonna add my glycerin to have this kind of gel consistency. It's actually the same basic thing, the same how you do your shower gel, or the same how you do. I have a video on how to do homemade lubricant, it's the same idea, okay? And just mix it through. Xanthum gum and glycerin, it's water-based, okay? So it should mix and dissolve into the floral water, which is water-based. Of course, if you will see here, it is a bit like clumpy, So that's why I have this little friend here to help me out. This is, like I mentioned before, I was using before. It's really good just to mix it in here, like a little like a foamer or something. It's really good. Good helper to mix it properly, xanthum gum with the glycerin and with the water. Okay, yes, and now we got the gel consistency, as you see. It's a bit sunny here. Okay, so what I want to do now, I just want to add, I'm taking at the scales, putting up here, and I'm just gonna add my rose petal glycerite. I will add 5%, which will be 2 grams. 2 grams of rose petal glycerite into my face wash. Okay, and mix it up. It got a little bit pinkish color, which is looking cool. Here, yeah, you see? And it smells so amazing. So everything is mixed up, as I see. So what I'm gonna do now, I will check the pH levels. Okay. And I can see it's actually not good. It's actually, this time it's good. Probably like the glycerine, because I didn't use water. I used I use the Floral water, which was bought from the shop, which has some preservative in it, you know. So this is good. I don't need to adjust anything, but I need to add my own preservative now, which is of the formula 0.4%. 0.4. Okay. Yeah. And gonna get another mix. All water-based products has to be preserved. And Preservative Eco, it's a natural preservative, allowed in a natural skincare formulation. And mix it up here. Okay. Cool. Oh, it's straight away, after you're adding preservative, it straight away gets a clearer color, you know, you can see through. And I just want to check again the pH level. Perfect, perfect. Very good. Yes. So, it smells amazing. So this is my gel face wash, rose one. Of course, this is the most simpler one, so it's easy to do. It requires only a few ingredients, so don't worry. And now I'm just gonna transfer into this my container. Well, so look at this beauty. Perfect gel-based look, consistency, pinkish color from my homemade rose petal glycerite, and of course it smells, the whole thing, it smells so amazing because I use 100%. I mean, I didn't mix it with distilled water or anything other. I used full of my hydrosol, which is rose floral water. I used a whole lot, and it smells so cool. And this is my gel face wash. It's nice gel consistency. You cannot probably see and you cannot smell, but it smells amazing. It's glycerite, glycerine. It helps to soothe and moisture the skin. It's very good for the skin. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I see you next week. Bye.